Just Google the Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, motorhome wash man. I am washing and waxing this today. I started on the roof already. And I'll be showing you the roof in a second. It was jam-packed with mold. A serious mold has started growing right into the roof itself. I've seen that before. It's not good when the mold, when you let the mold grow into the roof. It discolors the roof, and it actually grows into the pigment of whatever it's attached to. You know, there's different types of roofs, and this one is a fiberglass roof, and the mold is actually growing inside of the fiber. But there wouldn't be any way for these guys to know because they're elderly, and they can't get up on roofs. They walk with canes and such, and it's not safe to get up on a roof when you're disabled. So I'll take some after pictures. You can see the mold. Over here you can see where it actually grew into the roof itself. Very, very difficult to remove, and sometimes you can't remove it at all because it becomes a part of the roof itself. So I'll take an after picture. We're over here in Carlsberg, Washington. La Saints Road. It's very smoky, as you can see all the smoke. So wear a mask if you can, and save your lungs. I was noticing on my mask here, I wore it yesterday, and it's discolored. It will cause lung damage, so be very careful. Just Google the Port Angeles-Sequim car wash man, or you can Facebook or YouTube, see these videos. Make sure you tell a friend. I'll take an after video.